Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to move the download folder to another drive. So without further ado, let's get started. Now here I am on my File Explorer. Now go to this PC, and as you can see, my C drive is already full, so I want to transfer it on my E drive. So what I'm going to do is to right click on the downloads folder and then go to properties. Now what we're going to do is go to location and then click this move, and then what we're going to do is go to drive E, and now we're going to create another new folder. So basically you can name it to any name that you want to name it. And now after that, just select that folder and then just click apply, and then it may take some couple of minutes. And now if you want also to change it on your browser, I'm here on my Chrome, just go to settings and then go to downloads. Now you can see the location option, just change that. Now go to E drive and then find the folder that we just created before here, and then finally select folder, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.